Hey, 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 hey. How you doing, guys? Today is day 34 of my 6-month challenge where I've challenged myself to work my abs for at least 3 minutes every day for 6 months. Hey, I need some subscribers, so if you like this kind of content, if you like me, subscribe to my channel. We'll have some fun. I love to bake. I'm not of course, lots of people are into lots of different things, but my things that I'm into fitness because health is wealth. I am studying to become a certified personal trainer, and this is just recently. It's been on my mind for several years, but I just finally decided to make that move. Make that move right now, baby. So yeah, yesterday I did this for about 12 minutes before I felt the burn. Mom, can you turn the heater down? Is the heater? Hold on, yeah. Hot. It's 70 degrees. The heater is on. Okay. Apparently, as some people age, their body temperatures drop. My mama be cold, but it's hot. You ain't gonna burn me up in this house, little me. You go in your room and turn on the heater all you want to. You ain't gonna burn me up. Turn on that fan too. I'm hot, yeah. I am getting so hot. I'm gonna take my clothes off. It's like it's getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes. Woo. So I've lost an inch so far since I started doing this. Where does the time go? In 5 more months, honey, this body gonna be bikini ready. Me and mama going to the beach. I'm gonna stand up straight and do this. I'm gonna order another tripod in a minute. Get back into that squat. I got excited today, y'all. I got on the scale and I had lost a pound. I don't really want to get too excited about that because my scale is evil. It will say one thing today. It'll say one thing 1 minute and you get off of it and get back on it and it'll be saying something else. So, but I am eager to get that 20 pounds off that I gained this summer. Well, now it's 19 more. Because these are mediums and I'm not going to a large. The shirt is a medium. We ain't doing a large no more. No large. No extra large. No extra large. None of them. No larges. Only thing I want in large is a man. house. I don't even want that too large because you got to clean it up, right? Now I'm going to focus on the left, just from my hips. Now I'm going to the right. See, I know I need to go to the gym and do some hip exercises because my right knee is hurting a little bit. So I've met my quota. But whenever I had a quota, I always went above it. Because I'm just an above and beyond kind of girl. Yes, ma'am. Huh? Hold on, y'all. Look, I'm a caregiver. My mama's calling me. And I ain't starting this video over again. Hold on. She wants some toothpicks. Okay, here we go. I've got my 2 water bottles here. 2 gallon jugs. They weigh about 8 pounds a piece. And I just take these in one hand. I usually open my legs and do this, but I'm gonna do it with legs closed this time. Just because. Oh, okay. Switch arms. Oh, I feel it all right in there. Just, oh yeah. This is a good one. And now, we do the lower back. And when I come up, I'm squeezing my tush and I'm contracting my abs at the same time. Ugh. So you can see, I'm squeezing as I come up. Squeezing and tilting the pelvis forward. Ugh. 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 Whew. Now I'm gonna do something just a little different. Cause I remember this. One time I bought a Billy Blanks workout video. Child, that man had me sounding like an asthma patient. You hear me? And I was in my 20s. I couldn't hang. And I still can't hang. I can't hang with Billy Blanks. But you know what? I don't even think Billy Blanks can hang with Billy Blanks today. Now, Billy Blanks today probably can't hang with Billy Blanks from 25 years ago. But here's the move. Just come up. And this here is working that hip, but it's also you got to isolate that ab. I hope I don't fall over. You got to use this muscle here to hold that leg up like that. Oh, yeah, that feels good. All right. All right, guys, that's enough. I'm going to go eat. Haven't eaten anything today, and I'm starving. Thanks so much for helping me to hold myself accountable by posting my journey on social media in front of mostly strangers. But you know what? Sometimes them strangers, I used to sell Mary Kay. Well, I still am a consultant. But strangers, I like strangers. Strangers don't have a preconceived opinion about you. Like, I just like strangers. So, hey, strangers. Bye, you guys. Mwah.